Welcome to today's video, where we'll delve deep into the intriguing world of money mindset and psychology. In this video, we're about to embark on a transformative journey exploring the intricate relationship between your thoughts and beliefs about how they profoundly influence your financial reality. Buckle up as we unravel the secrets of money mindset and psychology. Segment 1, Understanding Money Mindset. Money mindset, a topic often overlooked, is the foundation of your financial life. It encompasses your attitudes, beliefs, and perceptions surrounding money. Think of it as the operating system that runs your financial software. What's fascinating is that your money mindset is not set in stone, it's malleable, and you have the power to change it with conscious effort. Segment 2, The Scarcity versus Abundance Mindset. Let's dive into one of the most critical aspects of money mindset, the battle between scarcity and abundance. The scarcity mindset breeds fear, worry, and a belief that money is a finite resource, always in short supply. On the other hand, the abundance mindset is a paradigm that believes in the infinite possibilities of wealth. It's about recognizing that there's more than enough for everyone. Segment 3, Identifying Your Money Beliefs. To transform your money mindset, you first need to pinpoint your existing money beliefs. These beliefs are like the foundation of a building, shaping your financial decisions and behaviors. They often originate from childhood experiences, societal influences, and personal encounters. Common money beliefs include money is the root of all evil or I'll never be rich. Segment 4, How Your Beliefs Impact Your Finances. Understanding the impact of your money beliefs on your finances is crucial. If you constantly think you'll never be wealthy, you might unconsciously engage in behaviors that sabotage opportunities for financial growth. Recognizing this connection is the first step towards making meaningful changes. Segment 5, Shifting Your Money Mindset. Changing your money mindset is not only possible but also liberating. Begin by challenging your limiting beliefs and replacing them with empowering ones. Swap out "I can't afford it" for "How can I afford it?" This shift in perspective opens doors to creative solutions you might not have considered before. Segment 6, The Power of Visualization. Visualization is a potent tool in your journey to reshape your money mindset. By vividly picturing your financial goals and success, you reprogram your subconscious mind to align with abundance and prosperity. Visualization isn't just daydreaming, it's a technique used by many successful individuals to manifest their financial desires. Segment 7, Surrounding Yourself with Positivity. Your environment plays a pivotal role in molding your money mindset. It's essential to surround yourself with people who support your financial aspirations and immerse yourself in positive financial content, such as books, podcasts, and seminars. These influences can uplift and reinforce your newfound money mindset. Segment 8, Financial Education. Investing in your financial education is a non-negotiable step in improving your money mindset. Knowledge is power. Learn about budgeting, investing, and wealth-building strategies. The more you know, the more confident you become in your financial decisions, strengthening your money mindset. Segment 9, Overcoming Fear of Failure. Many people harbor a deep-seated fear of failure when it comes to money matters. Embrace failure as a learning opportunity and a stepping stone towards success. It's essential to realize that every financial setback is a lesson, not a permanent roadblock. Embracing this mindset shift can alleviate the fear that often holds people back. Segment 10, Taking Action. Ultimately, changing your money mindset requires action. Set clear financial goals, create a plan, and take consistent steps towards achieving them. Action bridges the gap between mindset and financial success. Remember, it's not just about what you think, it's about what you do with those thoughts that matter most. Conclusion. In our final segment, we'll discuss the ultimate goal of your money mindset journey, embracing financial freedom. Financial freedom isn't just about having a vast fortune, it's the ability to make choices based on your desires rather than financial constraints. In conclusion, your money mindset and psychology are the foundation upon which your financial life is built. By understanding, reshaping, and embracing a positive money mindset, you can take control of your financial destiny. Financial freedom is not just a dream, it's an achievable reality when you empower yourself with the right mindset and take consistent action. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey, and we wish you all the success and abundance in your financial endeavors. Stay tuned for more insightful content in the future.